Hey everyone, leaning hard into excess in a way that feels deliberate rather than gimmicky, the Enffe EAES-2D Ultra instantly creates a strong first impression. In many ways, this bike fulfills the concept of more. It presents itself as a potent, feature-rich electric bike targeted at riders who desire significant performance without going all the way into the high-speed realm of machines like the Sur-Ron. It is especially intriguing because it accomplishes all of this within a price range that is often associated with Chinese e-bikes, making the whole value argument hard to overlook. Compared to many bikes in its class, the EAES-2D Ultra feels more well thought out from a component standpoint. Braking performance is one area where Enffe obviously did not take any shortcuts. Confidence is inspired by the front and rear Tektro-hydraulic brakes, particularly when combined with the massive 180mm front disc that provides most of the stopping force. The configuration is effectively complemented by the back rotor, which is substantial despite being slightly smaller. The EAES-2D Ultra also pleasantly impresses in terms of comfort. The seat is far more forgiving than what riders from more aggressive electric dirt motorcycles might be accustomed to because it is wide, soft, and obviously cushioned. This decision is crucial for long rides, cruising, and commuting. Although the addition of front and rear plastic fenders may appear simple, they add everyday usefulness because they are firmly installed and function properly. It is obvious that the design philosophy includes safety features. There are rear turn signals, which are a good feature even though they might not be very noticeable from a distance. Even though their positioning creates some concerns regarding optimal visibility from behind, the front turn signals are noticeably brighter and much more effective at drawing attention. Another standout feature is the display. However, not every design choice seems completely rational. On a bike this big and hefty, foldable pedals seem out of place because portability is obviously not a top concern. In a similar vein, many aspects of the frame design, especially those surrounding the front suspension and bar structure, appear somewhat out of the ordinary, as though aesthetic coherence was given precedence over mechanical elegance. The EAES-2D Ultra's power delivery and adaptability are where it truly excels. The bike has several riding modes. By default, it solely uses the rear motor. It can easily attain speeds in the low 30 miles per hour range, even in this mode. By engaging both the front and rear motors at the same time, switching to dual motor mode significantly increases acceleration off the line. When contrasted to eco settings on more powerful competitors, the initial surge is powerful and confidence-boosting, resembling the feel of more aggressive electric bikes. Perhaps one of the best features of the EAES-2D Ultra is this balance. It has just enough power to be thrilling without going too fast, which could worry parents and careful riders. Given the additional safety measures and strong braking performance, it is both quick enough to be exhilarating and controlled enough to feel manageable. After using the Enffe EAES-2D Ultra for a while, it's evident that the bike's purpose is to make people smile rather than just pursue spec sheet dominance. The whole product is appealing, despite a few dubious decisions and some peculiar aesthetics. An electric bike that feels really enjoyable and surprisingly well-rounded is made possible by strong dual motor performance, a substantial battery capacity, effective brakes, and a comfortable ride. The EAES-2D Ultra stands out as a well-designed and entertaining motorcycle for riders searching for a strong yet accessible substitute for more extreme electric dirt bikes. Thanks for watching. What do you think about this bike? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.